Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to MX24 Event Guide, your sure plug to things happening in and around the city and the world at large. If you are someone who loves music, who loves theater, who loves dance, then I have something special for you. Tell, a musical by Eagles Raw Creatives, is happening this weekend. And with me in studio is the team from Eagles Raw Creatives. Hi.
Hello.
Please, let's tell the audience who we are. From the gentleman.
Yes. Hi, my name is Nenesenor. I'm an actor and a musician.
Okay.
Hi, my name is Abena Dansoa. I'm the creative director for TEL and CEO for Eagles Raw Creators.
Let's go, women in power. Of course, it's the month of March. We are empowering women and CEO. Now, tell us about TEL. What's the storyline? What should we expect on stage for TEL?
Okay, so I'll just say that TEL is a play, a musical that has poetry, dance, physical theater, and drama, intense drama. And it was taken from the spider. We likened the abuser to the spider and its web and how it weaves its web. And the abused or the victims fall within the web. And they are the flies and the mosquitoes and the things that are trapped in the web of the spider, and he feeds on it. And that is how we likened the abused and the abuser to, the connotation of the spider. And it's a story that will take you into the woman's world. It will take you into an abused person's world, whether it's a woman or a man. You get to see the stories that are embedded in our real life situations. And maybe you will find yourself in there, maybe not. But you would learn something if you come to see TEL in a very interesting way.
That's beautiful. I am trying to imagine how the storyline is going to go. But where's TEL happening? You had the first run at the School of Performing at Mario Opoku Dance Hall last weekend. How did that go?
Yes.
And then tell us about where this weekend's own is going to happen and the time.
Okay, so the previous run, we had it on 7th and 8th March. That was beautiful. It was a beautiful run. But Cello is happening on 13th, this Friday, and it promises to be even better. It's a different vibe. It's happening at a restaurant and a bar at Nyaneba Estate, Laboni. So you don't want to miss this one.
I really want to see a theater placed in a restaurant and a bar. I want to see how the set is going to look like. Now, I saw your ticket prices are 250 cedis VIP, and this is supporting a cancer cause. Why cancer?
Okay, so I lost my grandma to cancer, and just this year, earlier last month, I lost my auntie also to cancer. And there's a man in my church called Mr. Joshua Davis who is suffering from cancer, throat cancer, and needs support for his chemotherapy. In fact, I didn't even know that my auntie was going to die, but I decided we were going to do this in December because I was like, I'd lost my mom, I'd lost a lot of, important people in my life. And when I heard that he was sick, the kind of light he brings to us in church, I was like, we need to do something about this before we also lose him. He's alive. This is the time we need to support him. And as we are praying, support financially to see how we can save his life. And so when I decided that we were doing TEL, I said that this is a cause I would like TEL to support. And so we are here with that cause, saying that if you buy a VIP ticket, it gets you a snack at the restaurant, but also it helps us to save the life of Mr. Joshua Davis, who is fighting throat cancer.
Please support TEL, buy VIP tickets. And those who cannot purchase a VIP ticket, how much is the regular tickets going for them?
The regular ticket is 150 CDs. And so if you can't buy the VIP ticket, you can buy the regular ticket. And even with that, we will still see how best we can pull some support from there.
Let's have a look at their rehearsal video and then we will continue with the conversation in the background.
See, we can have instrumentals, do something, and then bring the key down for you to step in. I mean, it doesn't have to be better what we've done in previous years. It has to be
in everyday life, an object that consumes and consumes. Lining up in the elevator, chirping like a nightingale. Oh, my big boss is like the neighbor's dog who barks all day without making a sound. It's the same song.
Like you heard, Tell is happening at Cello Restaurant and Lounge in Nyaniba Estate on the 13th of March 2026. How can people get tickets? Let's wrap up with that.
People can purchase tickets. So, like, there's a link. There's a Paystack link.
So there's a link which we will share on all our social media platforms. And you can also get tickets from mx24.app/event guide. mx24.app/event guide. If you want your event to be promoted on this platform, you know what to do. Do reach out to us on all our social media platforms at mx24gh, also mx24.app/event guide, and we will definitely promote your event for you. My name is Afinuna, and I am, of course, your event curator. I'll see you at your next event.